No, you just watched the video where I was coming out of the swimming pool with the ManWeave unit on my head, and you've been searching the internet, you've been on YouTube, you've been on Facebook, you've been on Instagram, trying to figure out which ManWeave unit course to take. I know you've been thinking about going to a live class. We have over 1,000 members that have taken our online class. Now, the question I want to ask you from me, why would you take an online class versus a live class? Well, we did a survey from our thousands of members, and some of those members had went to live classes, but they could not take their cell phone out and record, so therefore they could not remember everything. They complained about going to live classes, not being able to learn those 8 or 9 units that we have in this course listed below. You have the low wavy unit, the 360 wave unit, the low Caesar unit, the high top unit, the Superfly unit with the flat irons, you have the ponytail unit, you have the straight hair unit. I mean, you have all of these different units. When you take a live class, you only learn 1 to 2 units. What if you spend $500, $650 in a live class, and then you travel back to your city and a client walks in and he wants a high top unit and you only learn how to do the low unit? Or he wants the 360 wave unit, the handcrafted unit. See, there's a difference between the handcrafted unit where you have the hair bundles versus a 360 wave unit that's a permanent unit. You also know that 360 permanent unit is a toupee unit. That's non-surgical hair replacement. So you're going to learn the handcrafted units and you're going to learn the non-surgical hair replacement units in this online course. Plus, you get access to me. I'm just a phone call away. So there are a lot of positive reasons why you want to take the online class. Now, I'm not knocking you or telling you don't take a live class, because if you take a live class, you will circle back around to take our online class, because imagine this, you get lifetime access. Once you click the link below and access the course and you do your transaction, you're going to immediately get an email sent right to you. And you're going to click on that link and create your password. And then you're going to have lifetime immediate access from any electronic device, an iPad, a cell phone, a laptop computer, a desktop computer. And every few months, we upload more units. We're going to share the insurance options with you. We have the 35-page business plan for the ManWeave unit non-surgical hair replacement. We share marketing stuff with you. You can print out the client consultation forms so they can sign those documents and put their deposit down. We have everything already done for you, everything that you need to know about ManWeave units. Plus, in 2018, I got over 50 units. I mean, literally 50 units I had on my own head. So I've experienced all of the ManWeave units. I know what glues to use, the adhesives. Look, that adhesive that I used when I was in the swimming pool, I did that because people said you couldn't swim in it. It wouldn't hold up. That Max Bond glue, if you go all the way to the bottom, I have a link that where you can order those medical grade products, the itch, sweat, and smell free. Because when you wear those units, if you don't put that itch, sweat, and smell free on the client's scalp, it's gonna be itching like crazy. So not only are you gonna learn a lot about the units, but I have a lot of video tutorials, a lot of content. A lot of barbers do units, but very few of them wear the units. So I'm sharing with you from a client perspective and from being a licensed master barber since 1990. I had a school for 19 years actually, 98 to 2017. So just click the link below. There's no need for you to scroll through Instagram, looking on your phone, trying to find out which class you should take. You're at the right place. If you're still scratching your head, hey, just book a phone call with me. Book a strategy session. Or if you just want to call me direct, 615-496-3977. or shoot me a text, or just click that link for a free strategy session. We can hop on the call. You can ask whatever questions you want to ask. Or look at those ManWeave units below. You just click the link and access the course now. It's only $497. Hey, once you do that investment, you'll be a master and you'll be teaching live classes like a lot of these other barbers and stylists all over the United States are doing. They're taking our online class, learning everything, and then turning around and teaching live classes. And you can do the same too. And if you need to know where to get the mannequins, the adhesives, the glues, the removers, hey, I'll even help you do that. So I will see you on the other side. So just click the link below right now. No need to go on Instagram looking anymore. No need to contact anybody else. Contact me.